Multi-factor authentication MFA adds an extra layer of security to your SignNow account. Follow these steps to enable MFA effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Begin by logging into your SignNow account using your username and password. Ensure you have access to the account you want to secure. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Locate security settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable multi-factor authentication. Find the option to enable multi-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to set up your preferred method of authentication, such as using an authenticator app or receiving SMS codes. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up MFA, make sure to confirm and save your changes. You may be prompted to verify the setup by entering a code sent to your chosen authentication method. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your SignNow account with multi-factor authentication. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and accessible.